G'day guys, Alfie here. I don't know how many of you have been following along. I'm trying to recreate my animal cell map in Education Edition, and Education Edition does textures in a different way, so these netherrack textures don't show up as transparent. So if I actually set the texture pack on here, you can see what'll happen to the... Oh no, I've deleted the old texture pack. The old... let's throw that on and we'll go back in. I deleted the old netherrack texture and made it this one. But anyway, so the red glass is see-through, but the netherrack is not see-through, and this version of Minecraft handles things differently. So I basically need to replace the entirety of the netherrack here with red glass. And instead of breaking and placing each block, I thought, I know how I can do that a little bit easier. So I just thought I would record a quick sort of update video as to where we're at with the creation of the animal cell map. If you haven't been following on Twitch, or you haven't been watching the recordings because they go for countless hours of time, is that the right word? Time. Then this is where we're at. So final stages is probably what I would say, of being almost ready to release. I've got to do the information in all the NPCs and such still, but a big part of it has been around getting the textures working and properly happening in this version. So I just thought I would share. I'm feeling very proud of myself right now for getting this to work. I was thinking that maybe I could actually get the agent to go through, detect netherrack and replace it with red glass, but I don't know how to do that yet. Not saying I don't know how to do it at all, I just don't know how to do it yet, and I could probably do it, but this is a good way of getting any I can stand on done, so any on the top, and also any on the inside, which is the other nice thing. I can go inside the ER here and do all the ones on the bottom as well. So this should cut down the amount of actual breaking and placing of blocks I have to do quite extensively. Instead of doing the hard yards, I can just walk and jump around on the different blocks. I can't stand on that because there's glowstone in the way, which is why I had my texture pack off, so I could actually see what was going on and where things were happening. So that's pretty much it, just a very quick update video. While we're around, I'll show you what I've done with the teleporters. So this is actually flowing water. I need to tweak the system. Oh, and it would be time set midnight. It would look like this. So I was concerned that you could actually see through. It makes all the other blocks transparent, and then I decided I was being a little bit too precious. So this is all working now, all the teleporting's working and all that sort of stuff. So I have no idea where I am now. Here we go. So this will do us. So yeah, so that's where we're at. Nuclear pores are now working. They weren't working before either because they were a solid block, not a transparent one. So yeah, pretty happy with how things are going. So this will be hopefully released quite soon. If you're interested in getting a hold of it for EE and having a crack at it with your class, hopefully it'll be out soon. Alright, that's it. Quick update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye. Okay, that was the end, I thought, and then I had a thought about another thing I could do, and that was just, if the text netherrack 2 blocks below me, it'll change both of them. So in theory, I could have this so that I could just be anywhere, and if it's detecting netherrack anywhere around me, it will just replace it, which is just, I am, if I'm being honest, a little bit flawed by that idea. So if I put another one here and change this to detecting it, if it detects netherrack 3 below me, set that block as well, so it will set. So I could it's basically, if I put an array of these and change this to like, that's just huge. So if we go 4, so that's the command too, by the way. I was going to put it in the chat if I in the video description below. But basically, if you've got a large set of blocks that you need changed, like, look at that. This is amazing. And it's only going to change netherrack. It's not going to change anything else. It's only going to change any netherrack. So if there is netherrack below me, it is changing it up to 5 blocks below now. So as soon as it detects netherrack below me, it is changing it out. So I'm going to spend some time here, and I'm going to put a whole array of these down to like 40 blocks below or whatever. And then all I got to do is basically run like this, straight up, straight down, across the whole ER, and it'll do all of them. That is cool as. If I do it right, I probably don't even need to walk. Check it out! That is awesome. I love command blocks. So next time you've got a large area that you need to change a whole heap of blocks on, do this. This is fun. Alright, now it's really going. That's it. See you guys. Thanks for watching.